Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to level up in Escape from Duckov. First, approach this building in your base. Then make sure you select Skill Enhancement and press F. Once there, you can simply level up your skills by spending your cash, or rather your credits, and the Coldcore fragments. Also, please note that further along you are, it will require more Coldcore fragments and other materials as well, as you can see. To pick something, you will need to, select it, then start the research. It will take some time, and then once that research is done, you can simply tap unlock, and that passive boost will be applied to your character. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.